Meanwhile, Marion police releasing more information on two protests that are planned for downtown on Friday. News 5's Christy Calcagno joins me now with more details. Christy.
That's right, PJ. Now, there are two protests happening. One is a combination of a Black Lives Matter and LGBTQ+ march organized by Trayvon Brown, who found a burning cross in his family's yard. The other is a gathering at a different time outside the county courthouse. Now, here's a look at Friday's plans. The first rally will take place at 1 p.m. by the courthouse, and there is no indication that that one is in support of Black Lives Matter. The second rally, however, and that march will be in support of the Black Lives Matter and LGBTQ+ movement. That one starts at 4 p.m. at the Farmers Market, and the march will venture from there, with West Cherry Street expected to be periodically closed. Now, the police are asking those participating to stay on the sidewalks and within designated areas.
We are not going to shut down the surface streets of the town of Marion. They are free to use sidewalks or something like that. We still think there's a chance that that's incredibly dangerous. This is why we've implored the organizers to return to the previously agreed upon parameters that we know we can conduct rolling roadblocks. We know we can conduct perimeter security. We know that we can do all these things. So now we're going to have to decide exactly what it looks like. And there's a lot of factors involved with that.
And Brown released a statement to News 5 about the planned protest, saying in part, quote, "I said it once before, I'm not changing it. I wasn't really aware the time the other event was starting. They are coming at 1, so I switched the time from 2 to 4, so we won't all arrive at the same time. I will tell everyone to keep marching and ignore what the others are saying. I only can control as much of a person's actions." And the town of Marion plans to put up barricades to separate the two gatherings. PJ?